Alright guys, the last time I be like say we run this our tutorial now this place now will stop. What we take create this h1 to h6 elements there. What tell us now the heading tag now be this. We can talk this h arrow. We talk of paragraph and this b arrow. You know, so I tell us say this next tutorial now teach you how to create list. So more run into that one. The last one and one we run on and I also get for our browser now be this. I will get for our browser with this. So what I'll just do, I not to need all these guys now. Or you know what? Man not come out, I might just leave. So I'll just go in now say H arrow. H arrow. So when I say H arrow now it will give me this my long line where they so that I feel right the other things. So now I'm going to dive into the list direct now. Now for inside HTML, three type of lists now HTML they use. Three type of lists now the HTML. The first list now they call on the ordered. They call on the ordered. What's this PSF? Or the arrow? The ordered list. Not the first one. The second one also they call out the unordered. The unordered list. Why the third one they call out definition. Definition list. Or if you call description list. If you call out definition list, if you call out description list. So make I explain all of them for you now. Now this ordered list now, so now the list will be like say you create in such a way that you want specify what you go first come, with the next way go follow around, then at least made in the order format. You get in the orderly formats now. Then what this ordered list they do. So maybe you what you go like want to now just imagine. When be like say they want play match now. They want play match now. See the way they arrange their name now. The keeper number one. They could arrange how they go down. All those one now. So then I ordered list. The thing not just there at random like that. Then they make sure say that they follow sequence. Say now this one now first come before you get to this one. Before you get to this one. Before you get to this one. You get. It just be like the way that the number people ask for inside streets now. Where be like say so get down number 4, then number 1. Not about 2 like that. So they make sure say that they order them, and the thing they always they count from 1. So if you go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down to any number of lists where you decrease, so then an ordered list. So they use ordered list now till they create something like that. Then the unordered list now that they want to be like say if you just write anything when you like, create anyone when you like, any of it come as random. Maybe sell small legal market, maybe go buy scan to be like say you want to arrange scan small pet soup now. So if you just plan say yeah buy fish, buy this, buy that, don't say now small never wise like that now. If you just write down for side paper for around, you know that's okay, buy this one first now. What do you just do? You just write everything for the paper now, then you send her the message. So that kind of list now, that's another list. So I go show you how they create them for HTML. Then the definition list now, I'll tell you the truth, I know they use one like that, but I'll explain what they do. The definition list, what they do be say they do it in such a way that they actually describe some kind things. I hardly use them. So in fact when I do the creator I go use a point to explain it for now. Man not to keep myself for the explanation for this last place now. So it I go I know say what I go use most of the time self and I have the ordered list and the unordered list now and I go use most of the time. So what I go do now, I go start with the unordered list. So just to create my heading now, I'll just go and I'll say h2. I'll close on. Then I'll type working. Or am I just put that list now? Ordered list. Ordered lists. So when I do it like this now, you see I say ordered list just for this place now for me. And also myself. See I say it does show. It does show for here for me now. So that's why I take create my ordered list now. What I go do be say, you know, so I tell you say, if you dey work with HTML tag now, the tags they very simple. What they do be say they collect the first letter for this first word now. If not 2 words, so if not 1 word, not just the first letter they'll collect. But if not 2 words now, they'll collect the first letter for this word, collect the first letter for this word, they'll combine them together and actually create the tag. So this ordered list now, if you I want me view the thing like me view like container. view this in a kind small container now. So that container, when you bring the container corner, you got to put things for inside the container. You get now. So this list they be like now. So I want to create my container now. To create the container now, what I go do, I'll just say OL for ordered list. You see, I'll go close the tag now for ordered list. So like this now, so I don't create my container. So inside this container now, I want add things inside now. So to add things now, what you go do now, list item. Now they call the tag, what you add things inside list item. So what I go do now, I go just say LI now for the list item. LI for the list item. So I'll just come here quickly now. I'll just write some kind of things. So what I go just write, what I go write now. Write some kind of people name now. I'll just say test again. When I say test again, I'll just duplicate and I'll type PK. Shakira guy. So when I do one, I'll type Umtiti. I'll come in, I'll type Abba. I'll type Semedo. I'll come in, I'll type Rakitic. I'll come here, I'll type Busquets. I'll come in, I'll type what I'll type. I think I get continue now. I continue. I get Dembele. Suarez. Yeah, the king is safe, Messi. Alright, so you see I say if I do it like this now, you see what it happen now. Here they see. If you don't see Messi now on about 10 shots, just like doing so that you could just do all that for you. So you see how the thing be now. The only thing be like this now, so I just the specify the thing in an ordered list now. So test again number 1, PK 2, 3 like that. So it is just the list and they go. So everything and number now they come out now. They come out in number format now. Now so the ordered list does just be now. You not get many stress you get. Then another thing maybe like I fit do again now. I fit create another list inside this place, but I know to go that one. Maybe another tutorial now I go show you how to do those ones. So what I go do for this place now, I'll just dive inside how to create the unordered list. How to create the unordered list. So the same thing, I'll come here now, I'll just say H2. I'll call this guy unordered lists. So when I do it like this now, just the way we say we'll create container for this guy now, so we'll create container for the unordered list. So I'll say UL, close the tag. So like this now, I don't create my container for the unordered list now. For inside here now, so I can create my first item. Test assign my small legal market now. So that I go do now, I'll say may buy fish. May buy fish now. May buy Eri. Eri self get English name. Eri. Eri. If you don't know Eri now, you sabi. May buy Eri. There. Now spell. Eri. 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 I believe like that. They may buy me account. What's this spelling? Maybe account. They may buy me. May buy pepper. May buy pepper. May buy salt. Take goodbye again. Take goodbye again. May buy crayfish. This first one are fresh fish. Go buy fresh fish here. This one go buy crayfish. And the last one now, take goodbye. Maybe buy pepper spices. I know sabi cuckoo. But I know say pepper soup here. As far as the color change, it all work. I know that pepper soup spice now it make the color change. See how? So like this now, I don't create this my unordered list now. So if I run now, you see what it happen. You see the difference now. This ordered list now, they use number to the specify each person for here now. There is number to specify each item for this place now. But they know this now, anyone if you come at random, you get pepper soup will be the first item for here. Here if you be the next one for this place now, can't feel the next one now, you see. So anywhere like say you want write the thing just there at random, you not get order. Now make the color unordered list. You get so This na just the basic one wey be like say you need. This na just the basic one wey be like say una need. And also I talk about definition list here, but I know to enter definition list now. Maybe later class or later tutorial, or maybe when we enter like CSS. When we enter like CSS now, I feel use and do one or two things, and that time I go learn now, because even the HTML tutorial like this now, so the tags wey be like say they plenty well. Not be everything now I go una feel learn for just this series, you get. But I believe by the time we enter CSS now, some of the things wey be like say we forget or we not talk inside this tutorial, I go show now for inside that side. So more end this one for here now. So this tutorial now, you don't learn about ordered list and unordered list, and as time goes on, I see how we go use until they run our website, and every go smooth they go like that. So if you like the video now, subscribe. If you not like and still subscribe, if you're not lost, you know how to be. I see me your guy Big Tank for the double start. One love.